I'll show you the signs that you can learn and sign with baby. So here we go. Our first sign is milk, and it's just like you're maybe milking a cow. The next one we need for baby's day is more. So we tap our fingertips together, just like that. The next one we want is finish. So it's like something is on your hands, and then what you're gonna do is just flip your hands over. So that's finish or all done. It can even be all gone. Very good. And then the last one that we want to do is play. So it's our thumbs and our pinkies, and that's our Y hand shape right there. You can learn more about the ABCs in our ABC curriculum. All right, so here we go. We have our two Y hand shapes and we shake them back and forth. So that is play. So let's go over those ones again. So we have milk and more. We have finish and play. Good job.